Question number 17. A transverse wave of period 20 milliseconds. Time period is given. Travels through a medium. The graph shows the variation of the particle displacement with distance for the wave. Displacement versus distance is given. Okay. What is the average speed of the particle's motion? Direction of the particle's motion relative to the direction of the wave travel during one cycle. What is he asking? Average speed and the direction of the particle's motion relative to the direction of the wave travel during one cycle. Okay. So transverse wave. The moment you say transverse wave, the wave will be traveling like this. Particle vibration will be like this, perpendicular to each other. Therefore, let us eliminate. So therefore, this is wrong. This is wrong. Perpendicular or right. Now we need to look at this one here. Now what is given here? Look at the x-axis over here. The x-axis is in centimeters, y-axis is also in centimeters. Do not immediately consider this as time period. Okay, that's one thing which you have to be very careful. So therefore, when it is in x-axis in centimeter, from this point to this point, this is your one wavelength lambda, which should now be equal to 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. Then, now your time period has already been given to you as, what the time period given to you? Time period is given here 20 milliseconds. 20 milliseconds. What is it you need? Do you need a wave speed? No, you need a particle speed. Particle, what happens? It starts from here. Okay, in one time period, it starts from here, goes here. It is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Total distance it travels here, not velocity, distance. Okay, so should be 8 plus 8, 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter in a time of 20 milliseconds. It should be 16 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 20 into 10 power minus 2. If you do this, you get, how much do you get here? So you get this as 4 5s are 20, maybe you can say, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, this should be 0.8, and 10 power minus 2, 10 power plus 3 would be multiplied by 10, it should be 8 volt. The answer should be 8 meter per second perpendicular. The answer is B.